Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn network theorems MCQ. Okay, let's get started. First question: maximum power output is obtained from a network when the load resistance is equal to the output resistance of the network as seen as the terminals of the load. When load resistance is equal to the output resistance. So that means that this statement is associated with which theorem? Among those four options, you have to select one. So the correct answer is maximum power transfer theorem. In this maximum power transfer theorem, the load resistance is equal to source resistance. So this statement is associated with maximum power transfer theorem. So the option D is the right one. Okay. The next one, Kirchhoff's law applicable to passive networks, AC circuits, DC circuits, and AC as well as DC circuits. So Kirchhoff's law is normally applicable to both the networks. That means AC and DC. So the option was D. D is the right one. Okay. The next one. If the energy supplied from the source whose resistance is 1 ohm and a load of 100 ohm, the source will be, okay, either it will be a voltage source or current source. That two option is given and both of the above. Okay. So first, here the source resistance is 1 ohm, the load resistance is 100 ohm. So source resistance is very small. Okay. For voltage source network, the source resistance is very low. So we select A option. A voltage source is the right option. So the correct answer is A. Okay. The next one, the superposition theorem applicable to. Okay, superposition theorem applicable to linear, non-linear resistors, linear response only, linear, non-linear, and time varied responses. Okay, superposition theorem is applicable to linear response only. Okay, strictly linear response only. So this is the right one. The next one, so the following is the passive element. Okay, normally current source, voltage source. The source is also a independent and active element. So the inductance, capacitance, resistance are passive element. So here the capacitance is there. So we select option A. So A is the right one. Okay. The next question: number of independent equation to solve a network. Number of independent equation to solve a network is equal to. So we form equation in KVL. Okay, the mesh current method, we form independent equation for each loop. So we have to select the KVL equation. So the KVL equations we termed as chords or links in graph theory. Okay, so the number of independent equation to solve a network is equal to number of chords, either it termed as links. Okay, for KCL equation it is called as twin. Okay, just remember that word. So here the option is correct was A. The number of chords is the right one. So option A is the right one. Okay. The next question. According to the Kirchhoff's voltage law, algebraic sum of all IR drop and the EMF in any closed network is always 0. Okay, Kirchhoff's voltage law, algebraic sum of all IR drop in a closed loop network is 0 is the right one. So option D is the right answer. Okay, next one. So the following is a non-linear circuit parameter. Non-linear circuit parameter is a inductance, capacitance. These are the non-linear circuit parameters. Here the resistor, transistor, condenser, these are all resistor or linear element. Okay, so the option A is the right one. A is A. Inductance is the non-linear circuit parameter. Next thing, Kirchhoff's voltage law is applicable to the circuit with. Kirchhoff's voltage law applicable to AC and DC networks and also linear, non-linear, active, passive, on any network we can apply Kirchhoff's voltage law. Okay, we use inductor, capacitor. These are non-linear elements. Okay, and active element, passive element, voltage source are there, and the resistance, capacitance are there. Time varying elements, time invariant elements, all elements are there. So it is applicable to all those. So option D is the right one. Okay, the next one, a circuit whose parameters are same in either direction. Okay, these properties are same in either direction was bilateral element. Okay, like triac, we take example of triac. So their properties are same in either direction. Okay, so the option was B. B is the right one. Okay, that's all about today. If you have any doubt in these questions, please write it down in the comments below. Thank you so much for your valuable support. Thank you.